Hi, I'm Graham North and this is Turbo Electric's YouTube channel. So it's running again, of course, and you can see the value like 250 and 2000, it's the same as before. And what I did is I cooled down the IGB, these are the MOSFETs, not IGBTs. I cooled down the the MOSFETs with a fan, that one, and just to see if they heat back up again. And they're okay actually, they're just kind of lukewarm. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if they're actually getting this, look there, it's a little bit warm, a bit uncomfortable, that one. What's this one like? That one's okay. This one's a little bit warm, and this one's okay. But I think the problem at the moment is all these nasty frequencies which are causing problems, and I think that's why basically these ones are getting heated up. Yeah. If I can try and maybe get an idea as to when they're happening, it might be better. Huh. Yeah. Let's go over there, and we can see maybe. Yeah. It's quite difficult because of the way it triggers. There we go. Back that way. There we go. It just basically seems to be when it's on, it's just really noisy. When it's off, it's fine, but it's just when it's on, it's noisy. Yeah. What I can do is put a resistor in between the emitter follower pair and the gate, and that actually might calm things down a bit, because you're basically using the gate. Obviously the gate has a capacitance, and the gate itself has a capacitance, and so what you're doing is by putting a resistor in series with it, you're using the capacitance of the gate as a low pass filter, which will probably kill all that stuff off. That's normally what you do. 10 ohms should do it. I'm trying to get an idea of the frequency of that noise, because then you know what frequency to set it to. Yeah, because it's quite regular, isn't it? You can see it. Let's zero the position, and then I can get an idea of the frequency. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess now. But it's obviously high frequency. I mean, we're on 500 nanoseconds there, and it's still, I'm not seeing any kind of curves. Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know, not too sure. Yeah, oh, that's a bit better, isn't it? Yeah. But we do need to do something about it because it's a bit of a mess. Yeah. So I think adding a gate resistor in should help that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe because it helps YouTube's algorithm promote it for other people to see. And we'll see you in the next one.